I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
And we love to do projects and different things we can do ourselves.
For a couple of reasons. One, because we just enjoy it. And two, because we love to save money.
And that allows us to be free.
So I'm kind of short, and so that poses a problem for the rescue wagon because I'm short. Let me show you. It pretty much takes an act of God for me to get, well, maybe not an act of God, that might be exaggerating, but it's pretty challenging for me to get up because I'm short. And then when I go to get down, it's always a wonder if I'm gonna make it down or if I'm gonna break an ankle. And so we got this little stool, and even this stool, it was like, I never did actually fall, but it was always a possibility. So we had to do something.
So what we did, we have in each corner of the rescue wagon, we have stabilizer jacks. So we had the stabilizer jack taken off and put in a different location so that we could have a step welded on underneath. Our stabilizer jack used to come out this way and come forward. So we had it moved so that we could have room to put this wonderful step. So now the stabilizer jack comes down this way to stabilize. The stair comes out this way, and now the stabilizer actually stabilizes as you're going up into the camper, which is just wonderful. Very sturdy, very steady, it's welded on. We purchased this step from Amazon. You can see it in the description below. And the stabilizer jack actually came with the camper, but those can be found on Amazon as well. One additional piece we had welded on was a 2-inch receiver hitch. That way we can put an additional basket behind the rescue wagon if needed. But we also have some bikes with a rack that goes into a 2-inch receiver, so we can bring our bikes with us as well.
So it's the little things in life that make a huge difference. Kevin always says, let's make the ordinary extraordinary. This is extraordinary, and I'm so excited about it because it is changing my life. Watch this. I can get right up in here and not worry about having to break my leg. I can come out simply. I don't even have to have anything to hang on to. This is the ordinary, now extraordinary. Yay!
Doing things ourselves allows us to be free, and we encourage you to go make the ordinary extraordinary.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. You can also follow us on Instagram at BeFreeBensonDIY and check out our adventures on our YouTube channel, Be Free Benson Adventure.